Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now this case is made by Crave. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, yeah, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Crave Clear Guard for the Galaxy S21 Ultra Shockproof case. They say this is black, and that's what was a little confusing, but the buttons are black, not the case. It doesn't have a black bumper or anything like that. All right, these are some pictures right here. You see the black button on the case right there, and you got these ribbed inside of the area for extra protection. There's another look at the air pockets right there. Now you can get the buttons in different colors: black, aqua, clear, forest green, lilac, navy. $8.99 on Prime, all right? Now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box right here, Protection Series case. Picture of the case right there. Slim design, shock absorption, premium quality, precise cutout, strong, reliable, and protective. Some good information on there. Let's go ahead and take this out. All right, let's get this foam out of here. Now this, for all intent and purposes, is a clear case. You got the black button right here. As you can see, that's what they were referring to now. Now there seems to be a little bit of tint around this edge, so I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but there's a little tint around there. So that's pretty interesting. But most of the case is clear. Now you got a raised area for the camera right there, so that's going to be protected. And you definitely got the air pockets inside. You can see right there, that's going to protect the sides. And it looks like the lip is raised a little bit, so we'll see what it looks like when put on a device. And then you got your cutouts down here for your mic and your charging port and your speaker. And you got mic holes for the mics up top. And you got a little branding right there from Crave, all right? It's kind of big as well. Now let's go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see how it looks. Okay, here's the S21 Ultra. Let's go ahead and put it inside the case, see what it looks like. Now the case doesn't have the tightest fit. It's not moving around when I'm squeezing or anything, but it fits. But it's not the tightest or the snuggest fit I've felt. Now as you can see, you got the black button right there. Everything lines up on the bottom. You know, you got your mic hole right there, your charging port and your speaker. And then you got your speakers up top, your mic up top that lines up right there. And the camera is protected, as you can see. So that's going to be all right there. No feet on the back, but this edge is raised a little bit, just slightly. So that might keep the back off of the surface so it doesn't get scratched up. And then you got the lip up top here, so you'll have some protection there. And the sides come up right about to where the glass is. So screen protectors may or may not have problems. I don't use screen protectors, so I couldn't tell you, but the case feels good in the hand. It's got a nice grip, a little sticky feel to it. So, and you got the air pockets you can see around the side there. So that's pretty cool. Now this, you know, you got the black device, and it kind of sort of looks like it might have a black tint to it even more when you put the phone inside. But I know that's not going to work for the other colors, so not sure what the intent was there, all right? But it's not a bad case for $8.99, all right? Especially if you want a clear case with some good protection. This might work for you, all right? Let's go ahead and get the wireless charger and see how that works. Okay, here's the wireless charger. Let's put this in. All right, so there you go right there. It popped up. Let's stand it up and see what happens. All right, so no problem. You got your charger right there. Let's lay it down. Okay, so it picked up right there as well. All right, no problem with charging, with wireless charging, all right? Okay, so that was a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's the Crave case, the shockproof case with air pockets design on the side, got the black buttons. Feels pretty good. Not a bad case for the price. Could fit a little tighter, but other than that, I think it's a decent case for the money. All right. Now, I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.